Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherelle and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be trying out Irish moss, also known as sea moss, on my face for 5 days as a face mask. But before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My channel is all about beauty, skincare and natural hair, and sometimes even weight loss. So if you are interested in those type of topics, I really appreciate if you could show support to my channel by subscribing. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you for clicking on this video. You guys know how much I appreciate your support. We are almost at 50k guys. Now with that being said, let's get on with the video. So as I said before, in today's video we'll be trying out Irish moss, also known as sea moss, as a face mask. What is so special about sea moss, I hear you ask? Well, it has antibacterial and antiviral properties, and it is used to soothe skin conditions like psoriasis, dermatitis and eczema. If this is your first time on my channel, I've actually been very honest and open about my eczema struggles and my struggles with hyperpigmentation and dark spots. If you would like to see those videos, I will leave them in the description box below. My skin has come a long way since then. A lot of my dark marks have cleared up. My eczema is still there a little bit, but it's not half as bad as what it was before. But I just want to add, if you don't suffer from a skin condition, sea moss is meant to give you this mini facelift effect, which I found very interesting and makes me want to try it even more. But not only that guys, it's supposed to make your skin feel super soft, softer than you have ever felt it before, and that's what makes me want to try it even more, because I do have a little bit of texture on my skin. But wait, there is more. Sea moss is actually a popular drink in the Caribbean. Personally, I'm not a fan of it plain, but I don't mind when it's mixed in with fruits as a smoothie. It doesn't really taste like anything, but it does remind me of flaxseed. I use flaxseed in my hair all the time, so that's kind of what puts me off of drinking it. I recommend you definitely try it mixed with fruits. It's absolutely delicious. So guys, I have my sea moss right here, and this is completely homemade. I did struggle to make it, but once you know what to do, it's actually very easy. The first method that I tried was boiling it. That didn't work out too well for me. The second time when I tried it, I decided to blend it, which worked well for me, and that is the batch that I have here today. I don't want to make this video too long, so I will show you in another video how I created this mask. So make sure you click that bell notification so that you'll be updated when that video does arrive. So right now I have makeup on, but I'm going to take it off now so that I can show you better what my skin looks like and have a little bit of a before and after. Hey guys, I'm back and my makeup is off. I'm going to give you a little bit of a close-up of what my skin looks like before I use the mask. But this is what my face looks like without makeup. As you can see, my skin's not doing too bad compared to how bad my eczema used to be. So for me, my main problem area is around my chin. That is definitely where I get eczema the most. It's healing right now, so it doesn't look like a rash, but I do have hyperpigmentation all along my chin area here. And as for skin type, my skin is not sensitive, but it is extremely dry. Because of this, I do find myself not wearing makeup a lot because I have to moisturize often. I often have to moisturize throughout the day, but I haven't had a flare up, I think, in about 4 or 5 months, so it's been good so far. It's 2020, so I'm hoping it goes perfectly for me this year. So right now I'm going to go ahead and put on a headband to make sure my hair does not get messed up during this process, and I'm going to try out the sea moss. Hi guys, so I just finished applying on the face mask. That took me about 5 minutes. It was very quick. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now. I'm not sure how long this is going to take to dry. I do feel it drying around my lips a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer, see how long this dries, and then come back and show you. Hey guys, so it has been exactly 20 minutes and my face is dry now. I can barely move my face. This feels so tight. So let me give you a close-up of what this looks like. So this bit isn't drying so much, but the rest of it seems like it has completely dried. Let me try to move my face. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wash this off now because I don't really like this tight feeling, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, so I've just finished removing the face mask. It was pretty easy to wash off, and let me quickly show you what my skin looks like. I know you can't really see much of a difference, but my skin feels uber soft. Literally, I've never felt my skin feel this smooth before, and I'm really shocked. As for my hyperpigmentation, of course it's still there. It hasn't gone anywhere, unfortunately, but I can't believe how soft my skin feels. I'm actually really excited to try this tomorrow. Normally I would moisturize my face with aloe vera oil, but mine's actually ran out, so I'm just gonna use jojoba oil for now. That was day one. I'm very impressed already. I honestly cannot wait to use it tomorrow to see if it makes my skin feel any smoother. I don't think you can get any smoother than how my skin feels like now, honestly. So if it gets any smoother than this, I actually don't know what to say. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello everyone, so this is day 2 of me trying out the Sea Moss face mask, and yesterday went surprisingly well. The benefit that I felt from the face mask is that my face felt extremely smooth, and surprisingly the effects did last all the way until today. Because I know that sometimes when you try out new products on your face, it can just be the leftover residue on your face that makes it feel extra smooth. But since my face still feels really smooth today, I don't think it's just the leftover product on my face that is making my face feel so super smooth. One thing that I forgot to mention yesterday is that I do keep the face mask in the fridge. I do believe it can last up to 10 days. So that's how I'm storing the Sea Moss face mask. And also right now I have my hair in twists. Tomorrow I am going to be trying out some clip-in extensions. So of course if you want to see that video, don't forget to have your bell notifications on so you can check it out. So right now, again, I'm going to apply the mask. So it's been about half an hour and now the face mask is dried. As you can see, it's not, I didn't apply it as thick as I did yesterday, so there's not as much peely bits. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this off and then I'll come back to you. I just finished washing off the face mask and right now I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my face. So guys, that is it for day 2. I'm really looking forward to day 3. My face feels so soft. I feel like it feels even softer than yesterday. And also my skin feels a lot more plump and firm. I'm really excited to see what tomorrow brings. So yeah guys, I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Hello everyone, so this is day 3 of applying the Sea Moss face mask to my face, but today I realized something. When I made the mixture, I actually left it in the fridge for about 4 days. I've been using it now for 2, so that's 6 days of it being in the fridge. So I decided to make a new mixture just in case it has expired, but I have heard that it can last to about 10 days, but you know, just to be sure. So this is the mixture that I have today and I will be using this for the rest of the trial. So when I made the first batch, I actually didn't measure how much water I put in there. I also didn't do that this time, so this mixture is slightly more runny than the other one, but I'm still interested to see what effects it has. Okay guys, so now I'm going to apply it to my face. I think I'm going to go ahead and speed through the next 2 days. Hello everyone, it is day 5 of applying the face mask, which means we have come to the end of this trial. So this morning I applied the face mask. That also means today I'll be giving you a before and after and telling you my pros and cons about this face mask. Firstly, I'm going to start with the cons. One of the cons of using sea moss is that it can be a little bit difficult to find. It's really easy online, but if you are just looking for it in a shop, let's say on your local high street, I doubt you are going to find it. I purchased mine on Amazon and it was by a brand called Caribbean Flavors. I will leave a link in the description box below to some sea moss in case you just wanted to try it out for yourself. Okay, so another con for me is in preparing it. I know to make things easier, I could have just followed instructions or watched someone else's video on YouTube, but I decided to just give it a go by myself to see how easy it was. So the first batch that I made that didn't go right, I boiled it and that didn't work. So the second batch that I made was absolutely perfect, and that was a batch that I believe I used on day 1 and 2. Because I waited so long to do that video after I made batch 2, I had a feeling that it might expire soon, so I decided to make batch 3. Batch 3 was good, but it wasn't as thick as batch number 2. So I suggest if you're going to try it out yourself, do write down what quantity of water and sea moss that you are using to make things easier if you want to go ahead and make it the second time. Now that is all the cons that I have. The rest of what I have to say is all good things. So pro number 1 is that it's actually quite affordable considering it's so hard to find. When I went to purchase it on Amazon, there was literally only one vendor. I purchased my sea moss for £10 and I got 2 packets. Pro number 2 is that it makes your skin feel absolutely amazing. I know that you probably can't see much of a difference, but the way my skin felt was out of this world. Honestly, I've never felt my skin feel so soft. I can imagine if you use this every week for a couple of months, you'll see an amazing difference. So it's definitely going to continue using sea moss as a face mask, but maybe not every day. Maybe once a week will be fine for me. As soon as I get my ratios right, it will be perfect. So guys, I'm going to quickly show you a before and after of what my skin looked like. So personally, I don't think you can see much of a difference. The difference is in how my skin feels, and of course you can't really feel my skin through the camera, but comment down below if you do see a difference in my skin. But that's it for now guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and as always I'll see you in the next video. Bye.